In the bustling town of Meowville, there lived a peculiar orange cat named Chutki. With a coat as bright as the setting sun and a personality that sparkled with mischief, Chutki was no ordinary feline. He had a knack for getting into trouble and an uncanny ability to solve mysteries that baffled the townsfolk. One sunny afternoon, as Chutki lounged on his favorite windowsill, he overheard a commotion in the streets below. The townspeople were in a frenzy, claiming that their prized possessions had vanished overnight. From Mrs. Sharma's golden locket to Mr. Gupta's antique clock, everything seemed to have disappeared without a trace. Intrigued and sensing an adventure, Chutki leaped down and set off to investigate. As he prowled the alleyways, Chutki's keen senses picked up on the faintest of clues. He noticed a trail of glittering catnip leading into the shadows of the old abandoned warehouse at the edge of town. With a flick of his tail and a playful bounce, he ventured inside. The warehouse was dark and filled with dust, but Chutki's bright orange fur glowed like a beacon. Suddenly, he heard a soft giggle. Peeking around a stack of crates, he discovered a group of mischievous kittens, led by a clever tabby named Tuffy. They were hoarding all the stolen treasures, using them to build a makeshift throne. Tuffy, with his big green eyes, explained that they had taken the items to play king and queen. Chutki, with his creative mind, hatched a plan. Instead of scolding them, he offered a deal. "Let's put on a grand show for the town with all these treasures. We can be the stars of Meowville." The kitten's eyes sparkled with excitement. Together, they crafted a spectacular performance, showcasing the stolen items in a dazzling display of lights and laughter. The townsfolk, initially shocked at the sight of their belongings, soon found themselves enchanted by the kitten's antics. Chutki, with his charm and wit, led the show, ensuring everyone had a good time. By the end of the night, the townspeople were laughing and cheering, and the kittens returned the treasures with pride. Chutki had not only solved the mystery, but had also turned a potential disaster into a joyous celebration. As the moon shone bright over Meowville, the funny orange cat curled up in his favorite spot, dreaming of his next adventure, knowing that sometimes a little creativity and humor can bring a community together.